also completed. Before going to the next explanation, so see the small comparison between var, let and constant. Var, let, constant already completed. See the small comparison. So var, let and constant. Don't neglect, sir, comparisons. These comparisons you'll get as a FAQs also. Which keyword, what it is supporting, what it is not supporting, what it is supported. That all are almost your questions only, your FAQs. Which exam here? Marriage qualification exam. Cognizant exam. Our subject related anything is there? Okay. Please drop in the chat box. I'll show to other students also. They're also getting an idea. Cognizant examination questions. Okay, before that we'll complete this. So declaration, the comparisons, declaration which supported, which not supported. Initialization which supported, which not supported. Like that, every point wise I'm comparing. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, like this. Second one, assigning as well as update. Both same only. Assigning supported, automatically update supporting. Update supported, automatically assigning is supporting. Both same. Remember, first time if you give, it is called as assigning. Second time if you give, it is called as updation. So both are same only. And the next one, initialization. Initialization. Next one, scope. Which ones, sir? Block level, function level, as well as the global. So block, function, global. Next one, recently discussed what is that redefinition and hoisting. But previous comparison, hoisting redefinition, I am not explained because yesterday we completed the topic. Now that also we are going to redefining and hoisted. So every aspect we are comparing the each and every keywords. So some points I'm asking you, some points I'm going to explaining because these all are completed, right? In that anybody's first time, huh? All first time, huh? All first time. Today- Oh, gang leader missing, then only silent, The మూవీ అనుకుంటా సంథింగ్ ఐ డిడెంట్ రిమెంబర్ ద మూవీ అన్నొచ్చాడు అని చెప్పేసి అని వస్తారు ఉచి మూవీ సమ్ మూవీ సీన్ అది వెన్ ఎవర్ ద హీరో ఎంటర్స్ హీరో కాదు కమీడియన్ అనుకుంటా ఐ థింక్ బ్రహ్మానందం సో table ready sir for doing of comparison and which word we are comparing here we have clear heading where letter constant only which aspect we are comparing that one is side headings are available comparison table. So the very first where supports the declaration or not boys where supports declaration or not again boys only let supports the declaration or not variable declaration supported or not josh josh missing next constant supported declaration again boys huh no లేదా అర్థమైందా got it okay 3 answers correct very good next girls where supports assigning as well as updation huh let supports assigning as well as updation of the data huh in dull wise next constant supports the assigning as well as updation Constant value assigning, value updation. So both answers matching. Today evening maybe cyclone comes emo. Next, online candidates, you are answering. Hello, online. Nobody is there. Not answering. Then why you are login? What is the use to login? Not answering. Try to give, sir. I'm asking you only, Gada. Try to give. Okay, Bharat, I'll check it later after these explanations. Next, where supports initialization? All of you. Yes or no? Yes. Let supports initialization. What about constant? No, Gada. No అంటే yes, sir. The table and but that time I explained up to these 4 points only. Now we added these also based on recent discussions. Next one, where we can use in block level, sir. Yes, we can use it, but not preferable. Not preferable block level. Yes, we can use, but not preferable. Guidelines different to restrictions different. We can use in block level, but it's not encourageable scope because where is very, very high level scope. Block is the small. So in that small area, biggest level variables using is not correct. So not encourageable. Next, can I use the let in block level, sir? Yes, 100%. There is no problem at all. And can I use the constant also in block level, sir? Not increasable. Not increasable. Because suppose block in the sense one for loop or one if condition block. A for loop inside constant variable I declared. What is the use? For loop just 2 seconds running the program. In the 2 seconds running inside, non-changeable variable declaration is no need. Generally, non-changeable means constants, fixed variables. Fixed variables, most of the cases, global scope is preferable. Block level, not increasable. For loop inside non-changeable variable, what is the use here first of all? For loop means maybe 2 lines or 5 lines. It's just a small piece in the whole program. System supporting an order, leave it, but it's not encourageable model, not good coding. So better take the not suggestible. Instead of into, you can write better not suggestible. Next to function scope, sir. Yes, where preferable. Let also preferable. Even constant also preferable. Constant also supports, but not increasable. You just go for like this. Working at all working, no doubt at all. Function scope, 3 keywords are supported and 100% it's working also. But constant mostly not preferable in that case. Why are always constant not preferable? You are saying constant means fixed variables. Fixed variables, if you define anything, intention is you want to use all over the program, not in the particular area. So I clearly mentioned that one, not suggestible word. Next, global, sir. Yes, preferable. It is also preferable and it is also preferable. All working global. Constant to super requirement global, where also even the let also. Next, redefinition, sir. Recently I explained that one. Where supports the redefinition, let not supports the redefinition. And constant also not supports the redefinition. Constant also redefining not supported. Next, hoisting, sir. Where supports the hoisting, but let and constant both not supports the hoisting. Both not supported the hoisting. And the last one, version. This is JavaScript version concept. So where is the JavaScript concept? Old versions, old concept. And let and where is the new features? You know already that one. So it's a JavaScript 6th version, nothing but an ECMA. Both same gada, in center I placed that one. So this is the full comparison table of the let and where constant. Same comparison already in your notes available. What are the document I posted in Google, right? A document neatly table wise I designed, I posted also. Document not checked. If you check the MS Word document, same with the sentences wise I typed. It just the symbols wise I mentioned it. Neatly one table is there, comparison between the 3 keywords. So this is a pending thing is also done. I'm not explained. Already completed topics, just a replay within the single shot. Without explaining, are closed already. Already explanations completed. And now moving to the next topic. You know very well this topic. So topic name is operators. Operators. So like as other languages in JavaScript also we have operators, sir. So many operators are there. So one by one we are going to discussing. What is operator? Operator is a special character, or you can also call it as a symbol. Every operator basically it's a symbol. Then why it is called as operator, sir? Because which symbol performs some operation or which symbols perform some task, those pronounced as a operators. If any of the symbol doing some work, any of the symbol is performing some operation, those should be pronounced as a operator. That is the pronunciation. So what is the meaning, sir? Every operator, they perform some work. Maybe calculation, data copying, data comparison, whatever it may be. Something work they are doing. Without work, there is no operator. And every operator is a symbol, but every symbol is not a operator. All operators are symbols, sir. There is no doubt at all. But all symbols are not operators. How it is possible, sir? Every surgeon is a doctor, but every doctor is not a surgeon. A old example, long back I said already. Every IT employee is a human being, but every human being is not IT employee. Every human being not IT employee. I am not IT employee. You are becoming IT employee. One suitable example for you. Who are sitting in classroom? All are students. But all are who are sitting in class. In classroom sitting, every person is a student only. Right? But all students are not responding. All students are not interacting with faculty. All students are not communicating. Best example, మన last few questions I asked కదా online responses nil. They're just presenting at the class. No answering, no reactions, no interactions, etc. etc. So everybody is student, but every student is not responsive. JavaScript purpose words are interaction కదా. ఆ JavaScript మిస్సింగ్ అన్నమాట. If JavaScript is implemented, everything is becomes as a interaction. So those are only HTML and CSS. Next one, if you want to use any operator, we need some values compulsory. That value should be called as a operands. Operator means a symbol, left side, right side, what you are using, those called as the operands. So A plus B, A and B are the operands and plus is the operator. A and B are the operands and plus is the operator. So this is the small information about operators, sir. 100% every operator is coming from the symbols only. Some of the symbols are promoted as a operators. Reasons are that they are doing some works. And which symbol not doing any work, sir, there continues their life as a symbol only. Next, how many types of operators we have, sir? So many types available, sir. Lot of types available operators. Any idea how many types? Huh? Count names, no count. 6, 7, 6 to 7. Sure kada? 7. Okay. So mostly 7, couple of 6. Somebody 8 also, na? Okay. My work reduced. If 6 operators only, I can also follow the 6 only. Less time also. Time saving. 13, 1 3 3 0 na? 3 0 1 3. 7. Okay. So you are strongly believing 7 operators. I'll also follow the 7 only. But you only said the 7 only. Sir, we have operators total more than 14 types of operators available. 14 minimum in any language, generally. 14 available. Go and check it. You know or not, I don't want. Originally available or not, check it. 45. 45. What is that here? Operators. You are saying keywords, and I think here. Keywords you are saying. 45 types are not available, sir. 14 to 18 models available. That depends upon the language, varying. Some languages of 13, some languages 14, some languages 17, like that, 1 or 2 counts varying. So total list of operators I think 14 higher level languages all are available. But mostly we are saying 7, 8 only, sir, and a small communication problem. Communication gap. I'm also going to explaining now 8 types. Clearly see that. So right now what I'm going to starting, today we are trying to complete the 8 types. But you only said, sir, 14 types available. Yes, sir. Total we are going to discussing the 14 types plus operators. Today I'm going to explaining the 8 types. Reminding you, maybe 9th type tomorrow it will comes. 10th type or 2 days after it will comes. 11th type or 12th type or next week it will comes. And the topics wise they are coming. So one small clarity of answer what, sir, and what you are saying the 6, 7, 8, generally these are the general purpose operators, not total list of operators. General purpose operators. And total list of operators, I think we have kilometers of list in every language. When you see that one, just a small idea and clarity purpose. Lot of people say 7, 8 models you said. Yeah, of course, I'm also explaining the same thing. But in the 7, 8 models, think once yourself. Is there any dot operator? But you have dot operator also kada. But where is that one? In this 7, this you are not included, right? But why you are removed this one? And you are not considering this as a operator, but you are using as a operator only. But mistake where it is? Our side. We are not identifying properly. So 14 plus types I'm going to be explaining, sir, but don't expect them on the single day. Single day it's not possible. Reasons are some operators link it to some topics. Some operators we can use generally also in open area also, no problem. But rice cooking, curry preparing, sambar, curd, any special occasion if you are preparing a daily, daily, that is general food. Pongal when you are preparing, daily pongala. Oh, only one day. Which day? Festival day. If any festival is there, any birthday is there, marriage day is there, then morning wake up doing some head bath, puja and pongal preparing. Every day why you are not preparing pongal, sir? It is special food items, so special days only. Last week, with English pronunciation, I don't know, Sri Ramanavami festival. What is the special of Panakam? But every day why you are not preparing Panakam? Special food. Every day you are unable to prepare, you are unable to take that one also. Only over 2 times in the year you are preparing that one. That is also food item. Regular idli dosa is also food item. But these are the routine food, that is the special food. Like that 8 plus regular operators available, 7 plus special operators available. Total more than 14 types of operators available. And these 14 types of operators are divided into 3 groups. These 14 types of operators are divided into 3 groups. So the groups names are U, P, T. Unary, binary, ternary. Unary operators, binary operators, and ternary operators. Who is this, sir? If 14 plus operators comes under these 3 categories, compulsory. So next time give the better answer like this. You have confusion 6 or 7 or 8 on, right? Instead of confusion, simply you can say 3 categories of operators are available. Any subject acceptable answer. Any situation acceptable. Is 7, 8, 9, 10 no, sometimes acceptable, sometimes not acceptable. But how I rejected like that, maybe somebody is also rejecting like that. The unary, binary, ternary, nobody can reject that one. Reason the total category. If you have 100 types of operators, they should come under the 3 categories. 10 students available, 1000 students available. Generally, I am talking 2 categories only. Generally talking, boys and girls. Strength 10 members, our strength 1000. Categories are 2, boys and girls. That's all. Like that, 14 types of 140 types are categories are 3: unary, binary, and ternary operators. So you want to 7 only get the explanations, reminding you don't need the deal okay, locked also. Locked. 45 plus I don't know here. Please don't ask that one. So these are the categories who have the minimum programming knowledge. Almost all the candidates, you know this one. Operators categories. Unary operators, increment and decrement operators, binary, and third one is the ternary. So what is the meaning of unary, sir? Unary means one operand operators. One operand operator. These operators requires only one value. Binary means 2 operands operator. 2 operands operator means these operators requires the 2 values. And third one is the ternary, bottom it is available. 3 operands operator. 3 operands operator means those requires the 3 values. So which operator requires the one value? It is called as unary. Which operator requires the two values? Those called as the binary. Which operators requires the three values? Those called as the ternary operators. So unary under increment and decrement is comes. Binary under arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, concatenation, and bitwise operators. 6 types here, and these are the 2, 8, and the last one is the ternary, 9th one. 3 categories, 9 operators. So these are the 9 general operators. Remaining all are the special operators. Comparison operator missing. Oh shit. Relational is nothing but an comparison here. Comparison operator is not type, a purpose. Type name is relational operators. Relational operators are used to provide the comparisons. Comparison is not type name. Okay, just for idea purpose, in future, what are the special operators we are going to discussing, sir? Just an idea purpose, I'm listing some names here. These all are. Parse operator, spread operator, rest operator, arrow operator, arrow operator, destructuring operator, destructuring operator. Next one, regular expression operator, regexp operator. So what is this, sir? These are also some of the operators. And these comes under, sir. Some are the unary operators, some are the binary operators. No ternary operators. The whole language, the ternary operator, the one and only one, that is the conditional. This is the single ternary operator. Remaining all are, some goes under the binary category and some goes under the unary category. Okay, now I'm starting with the first model, binary, that is called as arithmetic category. So theory part available in documentation, sir, and I'm going to focusing on example explanation. So let x equals to some 25, y equals to 9. Two variables I declared here, and this is the first time I'm defining the variables like this, side by side. Previous almost to 7 examples I used variables, but one line, one variable only I defined. But there is no problem, sir. You can define any number of variables in single line with a separator comma. Use the comma and define any number of variables. Next, if it is all same types, then only we have to define it as a. No. Not only same types. Different types of variables also we can define in the single line. Possible, sir. JavaScript possible. But in Java.NET candidates, you have the 5 integer variables. 5 integer variables. So can you define in single line as sir? Yes, 100%. 100% because 5 integers. Integer A comma B comma C comma D semicolon. And I have four variables, one integer, one double, one string, one boolean. Can I write in single line as L? Not possible. Generally, no language allows, but JavaScript allows. Very clear. How, sir? You like this? Let's followed by A equals to 10. What is this data type, sir? Number data type. And B equals to JS. What is this data type, sir? String. C equals to true, Boolean data type. And D equals to some null, object data type. So four different data types, but I defined in the same line. 100% it's a valid in JavaScript. So same type of variables are different types of variables. In shortcut, a single line is possible. Mostly programming language, first one supported, second one is not supported. This language supporting. Valid, I'm putting in comment because we don't need right now. It's a valid. 100% it's valid. Clear a point? What I said? So what you said, surrender first. What is the point I say explained here? Clear? Different types of variables for shortcut we can define in the same variable line, single line. JavaScript supports that feature. Okay, next. The first model is arithmetic operators. The first category, arithmetic operators. So what is the purpose of arithmetic operators, sir? To perform basic mathematical calculations. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical calculations. And what are the operators, sir? Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and asterisk for multiplication, slash for quotient division, percentage for modulus division, and double star for exponent values, power values. X to the power of y, power values, a square, a to the power of 5, a to the power of 6. Like that powers, if you want to calculate it, we have direct operator. So 6 arithmetic operators total: addition, subtraction, multiplication, quotient, modulus, and exponential values. And now see the implementation. So document dot write followed by x plus y, comma, line break. X plus y, comma, line break. Double slash. A double slash comment here, not visible here. Fifth line, see seventh line. What we used that one? Comment here. Oh, Rana, Swami. Finding the sum of x plus y and just retrieving the sum. There is no problem. 25 plus 9 will get the 44 కదా. Huh? 34 oh shit. 34. Hmm? Next one. Showing the difference between the star and a double star. At Java candidates say the first time. So then only special I'm focusing that one. Because Java we don't have double star symbol. Python candidates say they knows that one. Especially this explanation dedicated to Java fans. Huh? Sir Raki ji, already 1 week onwards we are working with JavaScript, right? 1 week onwards we are using JavaScript, right? This is I use a lot of times together. Huh? But what you are watching, so many programs I use this double slash for commenting. Hmm? Yes, sir, Ashish, you can switch it, no problem. If you want to switch it, why you need my permission? You can switch it, no problem. But I am not switching. So star 3 or star 2. So what is the meaning of this, sir? 9 into 2, 18. But what about the double star, sir? 9 square. Power values in the sense 9 square. So 9 into 9, oh, and this is 9 into 2. That is the difference between these two. Uh, So 18, oh, 81. But rhythm same, see that 18 to 81. Hmm? Hmm. So Java candidates, this is the clarification for you. Single star and double star. Next, I'm going to using the slash. That is the coefficient division. It is dividing the value and returning the coefficient as a answer. So x slash, we can write something 3. X slash 3. X value is 25 slash 3. It dividing the value. Some points also comes. Some fractional parties also comes. Actually, I'm dividing to explain that fractional part. That is actually my intention. So 8.33333 something it will comes. How many digits will get maximum, sir? 16 digits. After point, highest number of precision is the 16. Least 0 and no points are comes. Suppose if I divide with the 5, sir, no points. 5 is 25. So what is the precision now, sir? It is 0. When you divide with another value, sir, precision comes 2 points, 6.25. When you are dividing another value, sir, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, highest how many digits, sir? 16 digits. Remember that point clearly. After point 2, JavaScript maximum can display the 16 digits maximum, highest precision point. But sir, 15 digits or 16 digits, I don't want. Can I round up that one, sir? We have to use the special functions, rounding functions available that we can use it. Rounding functions. If you want to round up, rounding functions required. But I don't want this fractional part, sir. So I want to remove completely this one, sir. We have one operator for this one. Rounding operator is available. In 14 places, this is also one operator. So 8 only if you focus like this special operator, so many katam. What is that operator, sir? Single piping symbol. Single pipe symbol. I'll demonstrate in operation theater. See that one. So do the surgery how I'm doing. But 10 by 3, what is the answer, sir? 3.33357. But a point after, I don't want any value, sir. Point after, I don't want any value. I need the answer in integer portion only. Floating point value, I don't want. You can cut that one. How, sir? By using single piping symbol. So what is this, sir? It is also one of the operator in JavaScript, rounding operators. Converting the floating value into integer. That is the operator special. Operator. But already 9 complete listed together, the 10th one. So apply this one, sir. See, 10 by 3 slash 0. What is the answer? 3. Fractional part total removed, precisions all are. That is. It's purely removing the points. No, sir, I want to maintain 2 points or 3 points. Remaining, I want to delete it, sir. Then functions we have to introduce. We should use the rounding functions. Completely, if you want to remove it, you simply go for like this. You can take anything, 10.57. Single piping symbol, 0. It removes that part. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, don't use it, sir. It allows only 0 only. 0 only. No, sir, I need 2, sir, I need 3, sir, and no use. No. I want to keep it the 2 digits after the point. Remaining, I want to remove it, sir. functions required. Later I'll explain that one. But right now I think you can remember this another operator, rounding operator, completely converting the floating values into integer value. It's simply a point removing. Remaining part it is returns. Noted? 47th operator. So how to apply this one, sir? Comes to here. Divide the x value. Take the piping symbol. 0. So float to integer conversion. Floating to integer conversion. Now I can check it. This is the answer. And what is one more note point? How many digits are displaying after point? 16 digits. Highest 16 digits. But every time 16 not comes. You observed already on the screen. It depends upon your values. But maximum I can display 16 only. Sir, I already mentioned as 3-4 times in last 5 minutes. We have some functions, future will discuss. And 3-4 times I said that point repeatedly. Okay, Anthony. Okay. Arithmetic operators, almost 70% operators I covered here. Similarly, remaining are 2 operators also use yourself. Next, the second model, relational operators. Second model is relational operators. What is the purpose of relational operators, sir? Comparison. Comparison. Somebody they asked, comparison operators where it is, sir? That is this actually. But its name is not comparison. The purpose is comparison. Relational operators are used to provide the comparison between the two values. Two things I want to compare it, sir. We need the relational operators. Which comparisons are? Anything. Daily we are doing the comparisons. That faculty like that, this faculty like this, and a student general nature. Comparing faculty explanation style, comparing the faculty treatments, treatment comparisons. So one component or one item we are comparing with the another item. Different types of comparisons are available. Next, all relational operators are the Boolean operators. All relational operators are Boolean operators. What is meaning of Boolean, sir? After completion of the comparison, the returns either true or false. After completion of the comparison, the returns either true or false. Comparison success, sir. Answer is true. Comparison failure, sir. Answer is false. Boolean operators. Next, what are the operators we have, sir? Total 8 relational operators are available. 8. So one is greater than for biggest comparison. Second one for less than smallest comparison. Third one for the greater than or equals to biggest or same comparison. Biggest or same comparison. Less than or equals to smallest or same comparison. Equals to identical equal comparison. Not equal that one, identical equal under. Don't pronounce equal, identical equal. And next one is the not equal. Identical not equal. Identical not equal. Or sounding or pronunciation tougher. Another pronunciation is there. Lose equal, lose not equal. మనకి recently loosely typed we discussed కదా Loose equal comparison, loosely not equal comparison. Next, one more strict equal comparison. One more strict not equal comparison. So this is loose equal, actual pronunciation identical equal, and this is the strict equal. This is identical not equal, and this is the strict not equal. Second pronunciation, what I said, these two are the loose, sir. Recently also explained. Loose opposite what, sir? Strict. Strict opposite to loose. So these are all comparing, but loosely comparing. And these two are comparing, very strictly comparing. So strict comparisons and loose comparisons. So total 8 relational operators and all are the Boolean operators. All returns the condition success true, condition failure false. Now see the implementation. So document dot write followed by x greater than or equals to 0, comma, line break. X greater than or equals to 0, comma, line break. So our x value 25. So 25 is greater than or equals to 0, sir. Yes, condition true. And that returns the answer true. Zeros ones not come, sir, directly true and false. Because we have Boolean data type. The JavaScript Boolean data type available. So compulsory true and false only it will comes. By chance your language Boolean not supported, zeros once it comes. Your language there is no Boolean data type, sir. Then answer is 0 and 1. No. Condition success 1 returns. Condition failure 0 returns. Which language Boolean data type available? True, false. Which language Boolean data type not available? 1 zeros. And the answer is true. Next, like that, less than, greater than, these also, right? Now we have doubt. No doubt. These are same style, these. In this one, you have doubt or not? No doubt, yada. What is doubt? What is double equals? What is triple equals? Double equal and equal 2 times you have to type. Triple equal means equal 3 times you have to type. Huh? Correct? Joke. Oh. Okay, my next explanation that only is that we can define the one more variable. So define the one more variable z and take the value 9. Z variable value is 9. Y variable value is also 9. But Y9 is called as number, Z9 is called as string. Value same, 9 to 9. But data types are different, same. What is the data type of Y? Number data type. And Z data type is a string data type. But these two I'm doing the comparisons. So see the system reactions and how it is going to dealing. Y equals to Z. Answer is true. True answer. But actually we are comparing 5 equals to 5, sir. Yes, it is a true in JavaScript. Other languages it's not true. This language true. Anything possible in JavaScript. So answer is true, sir. But sir, data types different, sir. That cut your quotations available. This is quotations not available, sir. That only because I clearly pronounced it loosely compared. Loose means in what is strictly seriously comparing a no, just lightly. Go under the simple thing. Example, on a shopping malls when you are entering, security guard is checking observed. Even if you go for multiplex, INOX, IMAX or something, entering into theaters, security guard is checking. What he is checking? 1, 2, 3. Go surrendered. Shirt front pockets, pant front pockets, pant back pockets. I have bomb in my shoe. But who is checking that one? Nobody is checking. I have some gun in my socks. Who is going to checking that one? Nobody is checking. That is loosely comparing. We went together a lot of times. We visited the shopping malls and multiplex movie theaters. Enters time, security guard is checking. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Go on. But when you go for the airports, 1, 2, 3 are the 360 degrees angle. They are going to checking top to bottom. In your pocket, wallet is there, sir. You should remove the wallet. In your pant, your belt available, sir. You should remove the belt compulsory. Not allowed otherwise. You have watch, something metal watch. You should remove the watch. This wallet, belt, watch, if you have any chains, that all the things you have to place in one tray basket, plastic. That is checking by one machine separately. Body checking by one machine separately. What it is called as strict equal comparison. Strictly they are checking. So these two one airport style of checking, sir. These two are shopping style of checking. Go. And then thoroughly not checking. Thoroughly it is checking. Clear differences available, quotations, data type difference available. But still you will get the answer true. It's thoroughly not checking. Just matching or not. And matching. Okay. Go. And that is the thing. Next, see this one, triple equals, and you will get the answer false. Because pin to pin point, it is going to comparing. Difference is that one. But how can I explain this as a sentence wise, sir, as a question wise, sir? I'm giving the clarity that one. So explanation అయితే over, sir. You are understanding, I'm understanding. But outside we have to give as this one sentence format. If they ask in interviews, how can say the sentence, sir? Double equals to and exclamation not equals. Both they checks the data only, the value only they are checking. Data type they are not checking. Data type not considered. Data matching or not. Leave it. Data. Data means your value, sir. Okay. Well, data and you are seeing differently. Value matching or not, it is checking ante. That's all. If value matching, sir, then okay, leave it. Matching the value, leave it. But data type not matching, sir. I'm not checking data type. I don't need that one. But when it comes to these two, what they are checking, sir? The value should be same, but the value should be matched, and data type also should be matched. Value should be matched and data type also should be matched. So if anybody they raise the question, you should answer like this. Identical equal or loose equal, they focuses only value comparison. But strict equal, strict not equal, they focuses on value as well as data type. Yeah, why is not coming? So I clearly mentioned that one on the right side of the notebook and apply the box. The same opposite also. Equal or not equal. Triple equals to not double equals. Meaning same. Not equal comparisons. This is performing not equal. But what it is performing, sir, into only data. And it is also performing the not equal. What it is, sir, data and data type. So answer you can guess it because these two you answer together true and false. Obviously this comes into reverse. The last two answers and these are the last four answers. True false, false true. So 5 equals to 5 and this is 5 equals to 5. What is the sentence? I said that I am going to change in here. Only data kada. Just 5 matching. Yes, matching, then condition true. But here data type both checking out, as easily false is comes. These are the special things in JavaScript, sir. Reminding routine process. So out of 8, 5 I covered here. Remaining 3, you try follow yourself. Next, the third category, in binary third category, logical operators. Logical operators. So what is the purpose of logical operators, sir? Any idea? Operators kaadu, purpose. So last 2 examples I explained the list of operators, purpose also explained. Every type of purpose explaining. Then I'm listing the operators. Like that, this is purpose. True, false. Comparing two booleans. And are not correct enamma. That are the list of operators. So I am asking the purpose. See my explanation. See that one relational operator. First I said that purpose. Relational operators are used to provide the comparison between the two things. And then I listed the list of operators. Like that here also one purpose, one word is there. These operators purpose is this one. And what are the operators are and what are the operators at end are not. What are the operators? Okay, sir. Shashi. Okay. Multiple comparisons. Multiple comparisons. Logical operators are used to provide the multiple comparisons at a time. To perform multiple comparisons at a time. Then we are using logical operators. Repeating the point, logical operators purpose words are into comparison, but not single comparison. Because a single comparison you have already relational is there. But this is also comparison, sir. Waste. That is single comparison and this is multiple comparisons at a time. First comparison side by side, second comparison side by side, third comparison side by side, fourth comparisons. So when you want to perform more than one comparison on the same statement, we need compulsory logical operators. And these also Boolean operators only, sir. Logical operators also Boolean operators. And the final answer will get into true or false only. And what are the logical operators? And these 3. And are not. Sure? And are not. What is the name of this operator? This operator? This operator? Sure? Wrong. Cause all languages wrong. Wrong. Wrong here. Okay. Me note the mere chapter wrong and see that one. What is this operator? Category gada. Symbol name. Symbol name. Plus. Sure? What is this operator? And words not matching. Here you pronounce it symbol name. There you are not pronouncing the single name. Not matching. But wrong. Okay, once again. What is this name? Plus purpose. What is this symbol name? And purpose. No. See that here. Okay, once again. What is this operator? Star. Your pronunciation. Actual name asterisk. Asterisk. Purpose. What is this operator? Well, again, wrong pronunciation. These two cases, you are saying operator name, right? But these two cases, you are saying operator meaning. Your pronunciation is wrong, not my pronunciation. Plus means addition. This is where the something name is available. What is that meaning, sir? And addition and now matching addition and matching. This is plus, but this is wrong pronunciation. I am not wrong. You are wrong. The name of this symbol is double ampersand. And కాదు. And is the meaning of the double ampersand. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పమ్మా ఎవరు రాంగ్? You do without knowing that one, you are directly calling with the meaning. Your way of calling is wrong. But can you call this is addition, addition, addition? No, you are calling always plus, plus, plus. But why you are calling with meaning? Because operators names we don't know properly. Meaning. So the name of this symbol is double ampersand. And the name of this symbol is piping symbol. Pipe, water pipe is there, na? Piping symbol. And name of this symbol is exclamation. First I pronounced that one here. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for coefficient, percentage for modulus, double star for exponent value. Symbol name, purpose. Symbol name, purpose. Two words I pronounced. Like that, here also we have that one. But what you are missing and without symbol name, you are directly pronouncing the meaning. Plus, moreover, you are saying I am wrong. Huh? Yeah, huh? Yeah. Now, Bolo, what is this one? This one and this one. And are not what? The meaning of that symbols. Double ampersand meaning is and. Piping symbol meaning is are. And exclamation meaning is not. Yes, Ajar said the right answer. Okay. And the next information, I hope you know that one. All logical operators background, they are following the truth tables. And table, R table, not tables. Total 3 tables available. For every operator, one table is there. True, 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 false, 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 true, true. So total 3 truth tables. That all tables need like given your documentation. So one first time learning programming students, conformly read the document once. If you have already some coding knowledge, light. First time sir coding, first language sir, compulsory refer the document. The clearly operators category name, explanation, operator wise meaning, every detailed information available. But I'm just focusing on programming. So total how many truth tables available? 3. Sure, Total how many truth tables? 2. How many truth tables available? 3. All 3 only. All 3, he is only 2. Green shaded true. Total we have truth tables 7. 7 tables. Out of 7 tables, logical operators 3 tables they are using. Remaining 4 tables used by the bitwise operators. Total 7 tables. Where it is came, sir? I think you forget mathematics, sir. Truth tables are came from mathematics only. 9th standard, 10th standard maths, we have this chapter. Samuchaya Pattika. And Samuchayam ante and double ampersand. You are calling end కదా. Then Telugu pronunciation Samuchaya Pattika అంటారు. Truth table and R table లేదా పట్టిక. నాట్ టేబుల్ కాదు పట్టిక. టేబుల్ అంటే పట్టిక తెలుగు ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్. సో ఎండ్ మీన్స్ సముచ్చయము, ఆర్ మీన్స్ లేదా, ఎక్స్క్లమేషన్ నాట్ మీన్స్ కాదు. ఆపోజిట్ అంటే కాదు కదా. Like that, mathematics, we have 7 tables. Our 7 tables are programming language as easily following. Some tables used by logical operators, some tables used by bitwise operators. But a lot of people, what they are feeling, sir, truth tables is programming language concept, it's a special. No, it came from your mathematics. Nobody remember a maths. Oh, ఇప్పుడు మ్యాథ్స్ చూపించమని అడగమాకండి మళ్ళీ. High school days maths, we have these chapters that. Okay, now I said gather, remember. Future maybe it is useful. Total 7 tables. Okay. And now coming to implementation, documented dot write followed by x greater than or equals to 0, first condition, x less than or equals to 50, second condition. First comparison, second comparison, or first condition, second condition. So between these two conditions, we need one conjecture. The conjecture is called as the logical operator. Why end only we have to use, sir? Meaningful. Because you are performing the range comparison. Greater than or equals to, less than or equals to, it is nothing but a range. Or greater than or equals to, less than or equals to combination represents the between comparison. So when you are writing the between 1 and 10, and we have to use like this. So same thing in your Oracle, you are writing between, while writing of the select commands, delete commands, update commands. A where class after you are writing between, between salary 1000 and 10,000. And indirectly salary greater than or equals to 1000 and salary less than or equals to 10,000. That programming language we are writing like this. There you are using between, here we are using logical operators. So next one, execution order, sir. It starts the verification from the first condition. If the first condition is true, sir, then checking the second condition. Second condition is also true, sir. True and true. Then final result is true. Next, first condition is true, sir. By chance, second condition is false, sir. True and false. Then final answer is false. Next, third scenario. First condition is false, sir. And answer directly false. Second condition, sir. Second condition, it didn't checks. Reason, first condition false. Second condition true or false, whatever it may be, but final answer is false. Why wasting the time on it? Directly it is giving the answer. AND operator, whenever the first condition is false, it never goes to second condition, third condition, fourth conditions. If you have any number of conditions, without checking these all are, directly it returns the false as a answer. Because as per the truth table, in all that conditions, if any one is false, total condition is false. So no need to waste the time. Then the answer is last one, true. Next one, just an idea purpose, one more. Y greater than 0. Y greater than 0. A single comparison. Y greater than 0. What is my requirement, sir? I want to do opposite comparison. It actually greater than 0 is there, but I want to do the opposite comparison. Mostly what we are doing, greater than opposite means, sir, less than we are writing. Generally, at a reverse comparison. Instead of greater than changing into less than, Use the small techniques, sir. Use the exclamation. This is better coding. Already less than comparison is there. But situation demanding, I want to do the reverse comparison, sir. General cases, a less than we are changing into greater than. Don't change like that. Without disturbing the existing condition, just use the not. Simple thing. So what is the meaning of this, sir? Why not greater than 0? Not greater than 0 means what, sir? Less than. Simple meaning. Like all these cases, sir, mostly we are doing a small mistake like this. At a working program, but this is better code than that one. Greater than. I need opposite conditions, sir. Don't write the less than. Write the not greater than. I need less than, sir. I need opposite conditions, sir. Don't write the greater than. Write the not less than. I need greater than or equals to, sir. Actual. But situation demanding to redo the reverse comparison. Don't write the less than or equals to. Simply write the not. Like that, less than or equals to. Not less than or equal. And this you know very well. Equal, not equal. See that one? In not equal concept, I'm trying to suggest to implement in all operators. So this is the better coding than changing of the symbol. So if I remove this one, y greater than 0. If I attach this one, y not greater than 0. So easy to pronounce and meaning also easy. Answer is false because y not greater than 0. I did the comparison. So y is 9. 9 not greater than 0. Condition false. Logical operators utilization style is like this. And the next one, assignment operators. Fourth category, assignment operators. Short circuit. This is not short circuit here. A logical operator. Assignment operators. First purpose. What is the purpose of assignment operators, sir? To store the data in memory blocks. If you want to store the data in any memory block, we are using this. Assigning is nothing but an giving. I'm giving the value to memory block. Now you can say simply assigning the values to variables. Any type of variables, normal variables, arrays or objects, whatever it may be. And who is the operator, sir? Operator is the equal. Equal is the assignment operator, which is used for storing the data. Next, in this assignment operators, we have the subcategory. Assignment operators, we have subcategory. It is called as shorthand operators. Not special category, sir. In this one, subcategory. No, if I add this as a separate category, sir, the count increasing also. Operators count. Shorthand operators. What is the special of this one, sir? Shorthand operators purpose to simplify your expressions. Your calculations available, calculations it is simplifying it. Length reducing. Purpose is that one. To simplify calculations part. And who is this operator, sir? Actually, it is not a straight operator, sir. Combinator. This is called as combinator. CSS selectors, combinators available. Two selectors we are combining. Like that is the combinator. Which is combining, sir? Arithmetic operators, assignment operator combination. These 6 arithmetic operators plus this assignment operator combination is called as the shorthand operators. Arithmetic assignment combined joint venture. The joint venture name is called as shorthand operators. Purpose I already said, it simplifies the calculations. It simplifies the calculations. A purpose is to write clearly. Future, when I'm asking without getting the problems, you can answer. I'm listing the operators plus equals to. See that? This is arithmetic and this is assignment. Both I'm combining. That is called a shorthand. Minus equals to, slash equals to, star equals to, percentage equals to, double star equals to. Double star equals to. Shorthand operators. It's not special categories, sir. Existing two models combinator. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, joint venture. So what is the benefit to go for this joint venture, sir? Simplifies the calculations. Your formulas, your calculations, your expressions, it is going to simplifying. The length reducing. Shorthand, observe the name. Shorthanded, what is meaning? Shortcut, no, no. That is shortcut operators. Okay, assignment operator, I'm not showing separately, sir, because this is assignment operator. These all are assignment operators because I'm assigning the data, assigning the data, assigning the data. And must separately no need, sir. Very silly thing. These, what is the benefit I'm trying to show? See that. X equals to X plus 30. The original statement. X equals to X plus 30. What is the meaning, sir? Get the X value, 25 plus 30, 55. That 55 overrides in the same variable. So collect the data from X variable, add it to 30, resultant value again store into same place. The original statement, arithmetic operators. This we can write like this by using shorthand operator. Instead of writing the variable name two times, we can write just one time. Meaning same, result same. The original, that is shortcut. Next, similarly, y equals to y multiplied with 10. Y equals to y multiplied with 10. Was multiplied. This is original statement. Get the y value 9, multiply with 10, 90. That 90 overrides in the same variable. And this we can write like this, meaning same. So like that, every calculation, every formula, we can reduce a little bit of length. That is the reason these are the shorthand or shortcut operators. The same way, remaining you just follow like this. But these two really it's working or not, I'm going to proving here. So document dot write followed by print x value, line break, y value, line break. Two variables I'm printing in same line, shortcut. Printing also shortcut. So 55 and 90. Correct, sir. X value 25. 25 plus 30. Y value 9. 9 multiplied with 10. So 4 types. All are comes under the binary category. Next, fifth one, sir. Concatenation operator. Binary category, last one, concatenation operator. So what is the meaning of concatenation, sir? Combining two pieces or jointing the two pieces. You can say as a appending also. Two things jointing, sir. So this is first value, this is second value, two different values. But now my requirement what's already these two pieces I want to joint it. This is called as concatenation. Concatenation amma. Atkichito. Jointing. Purpose that only. But variety pronunciation is there, sir. Concatenation means adding the one to the end of the previous one. The second data placing the end of the first data. Third data placing to the end of the second data. Fourth data placing to the end of the third data. So every new value placing to the end of the previous value. This process is called as the concatenation. Some other subjects we can call as a merging. Some places you called as a appending also. So meaning is that one, jointing of the two values. But one condition what's are here, if you want to perform the concatenation, your two operands available with the first value, second value, right? One of these two values, at least any one no, compulsory string. Two operands available, right? In these two operands, any one value compulsory string. If there is no strings in both sides, sir, I'm not doing concatenation. No concatenations allowed. So either left side or right side, you got a concatenation operator available, sir, CO. The left operand, right operand. So one of these operands is a compulsory string. Then only concatenation. If both are strings, concatenation or no concatenation? Huh? Both are strings available. No concatenation either. Huh? Concatenation. But so many question marks. Huh? Who knows here? Huh? What I said clearly, first point, at least one of the values string. But two values you given string. That's bonus only. How you are getting doubt? Huh? Expected one, no, but you are giving two. Doubt how? Next and the last point, sir. After doing the successful concatenation, a resulted value, how it will come, sir? The resulted values comes in string format because it is string dominating the remaining data types. So if you concatenate any values, final result is comes with the strings, quotations. Next, who is this operator, sir? Plus. Plus is the concatenation operator. But sir, plus you already explained, sir, first one, arithmetic plus, this is concatenation plus. Tomorrow you will get one more plus also. One symbol, many purposes. HTML, remember? Input tag, how many purposes? So many purposes. This is also. But we are getting confusion, sir. No. Clues available. Very clearly clues available. If you identify the technique, it's easy to recognize. Okay, first I'm using document.write followed by Rama plus Rao. And again plus BR. So total three strings. All three strings here, Rama, Rao and BR. The three strings are joining together and displaying as a single value. What is the final output, sir? Rama Rao. Rama plus Rao, Rama Rao. Krishna plus Rao, Krishna Rao. So go and check the output. This is Rama Rao. Next. So 100 plus mangoes. 100 plus mangoes. 100 mangoes. But sir, strings not available, sir. Now one side available. This is string. This is not string. But no problem. I am expecting only one string. That will manage. So 100 plus mangoes, 100 mangoes. Once again. There are two values you can observe, sir. While doing of concatenation, it is applying any space or gap, sir. No. 100% it doesn't apply. If you need any gap between the two values, manually we have to request like this. Manually you should ask the gap like this. Otherwise, system not producing any gap between the two values. Gap is comes, only sticking problem is comes. And the last point, 20 plus true. So 20 plus true. Guess, is there any string? No string. So concatenation, not possible. Then what it is this result, sir? 21 addition. Answer 21. Because today I said together 2, 3 times. Boolean true means 1. False means 0. So true means indirectly system substituting the 1. 20 and 1. Both numbers. No strings. Both are numbers. Number plus number. Arithmetic addition. Remember, Java students specially dedicated for you. This statement in your Java, syntax error, compile time error. Same step, write in Java, you will get the syntax error. System.out.println followed by 10 plus true. Compile time failed. Question same, but answers different. Be careful, especially in exams. Python is the same answer. Who answered it said 21? No, those all are Python candidates. I know that one. Who are not answered, those all are the Java candidates. I know that one. Because same step of Python also 21 only. Same step in core Java, syntax error. Invalid operand types, error message also. One is the number, one is the Boolean. So addition is not possible. But this question, they asked in written test. At the time, Java dominates your JavaScript. Your answer is wrong. JavaScript dominates the Java, then also wrong. Because two different subjects, two different answers, but question is same. So written test, be careful. So in JavaScript, in Python, answer is 21, sir. Hmm. So up to this one, binary is completed. Remaining we'll see on tomorrow's session. Thank you all. Any questions, online candidates? Classical operator assignment bitwise operators. Concatenation అది కూడా అంటే ఈ ప్లస్ వాడను అనుకుంటే బిఆర్ రావు లోపల రాయాలి. ఇక్కడ రాసాను చూడండి, మ్యాంగోస్ లోపల. ఇక్కడ లేదు, కొటేషన్స్ లేదు, రాంగ్ టైప్ చేశారు. ఇక్కడ కొటేషన్స్ లేదమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మీరు కొటేషన్ పెట్టారనుకోండి, ఇది సపరేట్ అయిపోతుంది కదా వాల్యూ. ఇక్కడ నా ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో ఇక్కడ కొటేషన్స్ లేదు, మీరు రాంగ్ కాపీ చేసుకున్నారు. ఇది స్ట్రైక్ అవుట్ చేయండి. అవును. చేసిన తర్వాత మనకి లైన్ బ్రేక్ కావాలి కదా మరి. ప్లస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఓరు నాయన సార్, ఎడిషన్ సార్. అక్కడ కామెంట్ లో మెన్షన్ కదా సార్, కామెంట్ నాట్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్. కామెంట్ నాట్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్. టూ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆపోజిట్ ఐ మెన్షన్ కామెంట్స్ కదా. Who dropped the question? Those candidates opposite comment line not observed. That to this both same as sir. కదా క్లియర్గా మెన్షన్ చేశాను కదా సార్, ఇది ఒరిజినల్, ఇది షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ అని చెప్పేసి. అక్కడ ఆపోజిట్ కామెంట్ లైన్ కూడా వై ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ టైం పాసా, దిస్ మీనింగ్ బోత్ సేమ్ ఓన్లీ, ఇది ఒరిజినల్ స్టేట్మెంట్, ఇది షార్ట్ హ్యాండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అని క్లియర్ లైక్ పాయింటెడ్ అవుట్. మరి వాట్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ దట్ వన్? What you are not understanding? No response, no answer. Hmm? But question అయితే dropping. Huh? Well, if I raise a small point, no reaction from you. That problem I can share to others, sir. Discussing not possible. మనకి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ మైనస్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ గెటింగ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రైట్ భరత్. Additions subtractions greater than say they are getting the understanding problems, right? That much of big question, it's not right thing. I'll share to all others who are interested, they are going to learning that one. Please.